What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? You know what time it is. We're back with another quick, no-fluff review that gets you up to speed in under 3 minutes. And today, we're talking about something legendary that just got sharper, faster, and way more tech-savvy. The 2026 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Yep, the OG hot hatch just leveled up big time. So, what's new? Volkswagen finally gave the GTI a proper power bump. We're talking around 265 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, coming from that turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder. The car now rockets from 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds and tops out at a governed 155 miles per hour. And yeah, the 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission is still lightning quick. Shifts smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. On the outside, VW didn't go crazy, but they did just enough to make you stare. You've got new LED matrix headlights, a refreshed front fascia, tweaked LED taillights, and those bold 19-inch Queenstown alloys that just nail the stance. It's still that perfect don't mess with me daily driver look. Clean, sharp, confident. Step inside and the story gets even better. The cabin finally feels modern again. There's a larger freestanding touchscreen running VW's updated infotainment with a new voice assistant. Yeah, it even has ChatGPT integration for quick info or random questions on the go. The digital cockpit is crisp, the ambient lighting sets the mood, and those sport seats still hug you like they mean it. Now for the true gearheads. VW the Golf GTI Edition 50, celebrating 50 years of GTI history. This one cranks out a wild 325 horsepower, making it the most powerful production GTI ever. You also get stiffer suspension, upgraded brakes, and exclusive trim details that scream collector car. But the GTI isn't just about numbers, it's about balance. It's that sweet spot where fun meets functional. The steering's tight and direct, the chassis still dances in the corners, and yet you can run errands, haul groceries, or take a road trip without feeling beat up. It's the everyday car that still gives you goosebumps on a Sunday drive. Of course, not everything's perfect. Some enthusiasts will miss the manual option since many markets now only get the DSG. And yeah, the price has crept up. In Europe, the 2026 Golf GTI starts around 44,500 euros, while the Edition 50 goes north of 50K. In other regions like India, it's launching around 52.99 lakh as a CBU import. Still, you're getting legit performance and German engineering that feels worth every dime. So here's the verdict. The 2026 Golf GTI still does what it's always done best, blending real-world usability with addictive driving fun. It's faster, smarter, and more refined, but it hasn't lost that raw driver's car spirit that made it a legend in the first place. Whether you're bombing back roads or cruising to work, this hatch still punches way above its weight. All right, fam, that's your quick take on the 2026 VW Golf GTI. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Rev 3 crew, the place where we break down every ride in under 3 minutes. No fluff, just pure car talk. Catch you in the next one.